The only way to see this video is if you subscribe to the channel. So go do that right now, or else the video will not play. Welcome to the C10 Intervention. That's what this video is all about. This was filmed back in 2025 when we went up to Woodland, California. And yeah, it's just a little bit late, but that's how these work sometimes. I'll work on trying to get them out faster. Anyways, we have a bunch of apparel on our website, www.goodlife.com. We've got C10 stuff on there. We've got mini truck stuff on there. We've got banners. We are dropping a couple of new shirt designs in a couple of different color options soon. So pay attention to that. Back to what I'm driving right now. I've never owned a Chevy S10, and that's what I'm driving right now. And you're gonna have to wait till the next video to find out why I'm driving an S10 and exactly what it is. So enjoy the C10 intervention and enjoy going to the website and purchasing merch so we can do a bunch of stuff to the truck that I'm driving right now. Okay, thanks. One thing I forgot to say is C10 Intervention, it takes over the entire town of Woodland, California. They close off Main Street for a day for the show, and then the night before for cruising. So the beginning of this video is all the cruising, and then the second part is the show. It's a really cool show to go to because of the way that they do close the town down. It's also in a cool area. So at the very end of this video is some B-roll of just us messing around in San Francisco real quick. So it's only like an hour or so from San Francisco. So plenty of stuff to do. Make sure you get up there and attend this show because it's definitely worth it.
I'm John Orrell, and you're at the 2025 C10 Intervention.
I'm the one they call the bully. You can find me with the gang. Got no time to be a rookie. Yeah, I got time to be the man. I'm the one who got the juice. Yeah, the juice is in the vein. Either proof is in the pudding. Yeah, or the proof is in the name.
Yeah, once again, I'm the type to give your girl the workaround. Then tell her twerk it, maybe we can work it out. The basics, Instagram working out. She famous, she demands word of mouth, yeah. For the clout, I be chillin' with your main chick. TIA shit, this is who she came with. When you famous, DM her that lame shit. Like you ain't shit, I just wanna bang quick. Mamacita is a gift. You my best friend, be my bid, yeah. I'm a bad guy, I admit, yeah. But the bad guy, Uber trips, yeah, yeah. Uber dip, Uber lit. Only I know that I'm who you with, yeah. You with the bad guy, hooligan, yeah, yeah.
Intervention, boy, let's go!
I'm the one they call the bully. You can find me with the gang. Got no time to be a rookie. Yeah, I got time to be the man. I'm the one who got the juice. Yeah, the juice is in the vein. Either proof is in the pudding.
Yeah,
or the proof is in the name.
yeah. Once again, someone point me to the cutie. Big ol' booty. Got me drowning, I may boogie with the hoodie. They got money, yeah. Tell them book me, yeah, yeah. They can find me out here coolin' with the bully. Shit, how you pay me with them bills is kinda fit, yeah. I be looking at your girl, she kinda thick, yeah. Now I'm thinking me and her, we kinda fit, yeah. cause I'm the shit.
I'm the one they call the bully. You can find me with the gang. Got no time to be a rookie. Yeah, I got time to be the man. I'm the one who got the juice. Yeah, the juice is in the vein. Either proof is in the pudding, or the proof is in the name.
What's up, Ryan? Fucking love you, bro. What's up, guys? My name is Ronnie Armstrong. I'm from Tyler, Texas, and I am out here today visiting this C10 Intervention in Woodland, California, and it is one hot bitch. This is reminding me of Texas weather, and I do not like it. But I do love Texas, but boomer sooner.
Tarantula, gang gang, right from the stereo. Gargantuan, goddamn fit for a burial. A cannula from my wrist, sick material. A chronically ill, sound for your area. I just let go, there's a crack in my design. Like an echo, these thoughts replay in my mind. There's no safety, there's no rest, there's no sleep for the dead. And I hate these side effects that get left by the man. I got the devil on my shoulder, and the weight might break my back. I'm losing my composure, and I might crash. And so they say that my persona
has a tendency to
come so undone that
my identity is
stuck inside this white room I painted black. Tarantula, bang bang, contractile muscular. I'm venomous, brain fangs right through your jugular. Cutting your brains on the rug and your blood on the comforter. Part of me's Peter Parker, but bust my guns like the Punisher. I'm a rabbit arachnid, I'm trapping them in the web. Then I wrap them up like a package for afterwards in the shed. I'm carnivorous in the blood of these rappers, is how I'm fed. To live a death like Dexter, dark as the passenger in my head. And they know I'm a killer on the low, patient 00, fuck a cheat code. My ammo's unlimited, I only stop when I gotta reload. I'm 20 below and the blood in me frozen. I painted this room only color I know. Yeah, I painted it black, it was dark as my soul. So fuck it, let's go. I got the devil on my shoulder, and the weight might break my back. I'm losing my composure, and I might crash. And so they say that my persona
has a tendency to
come so undone that
my identity is
stuck inside this white room I painted black.
I'm Dominic Guida. This is the Cruiser Shop, and we're in Woodland, California for C10 Intervention. C10 Intervention 2025. Gotta be here to know what's up. Come on. Cheers, motherfuckers.
Everybody tryna know me. Say your prayers, we're about to get unholy. When I'm around, you can never never be lonely. I'ma move it real slowly. It's a deal, all these other guys irrelevant. I've been sending you signs and you're intelligent. So why don't we just get a little close now? I'm allowed to handle trying not to overdose now. Dialed is not available.
If you're going to San Francisco, be sure to wear some flowers in your hair. If you're going to San Francisco, you're gonna meet some gentle people there. In the street, if you're 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 to San Francisco.
Paris, London, LA, Chicago, Tokyo, Baghdad, New York. Hear the global DJs. Moscow, Memphis, Cape Town, Dallas, Amsterdam, Boston, Berlin, San Francisco.
If you're going to San Francisco, be sure to wear some flowers in your hair. In the street, if you're in the street, if you're to San Francisco.
San Francisco.